When we look at the night sky, we always wonder about the possibilities in such a vast world. There are some facts about outer space, which we still don't know. Let's have a look at some of them. Constantly moving. We are moving through space at the rate of 530 kilometers a second. That means, in 1 minute you are about 19,000 kilometers away from where you were. Scientists do not all agree on the speed with which the Milky Way is traveling. But it means that Einstein's theory of relativity, the velocity of any object through space, is not meaningful. Ancient light. The light hitting the Earth right now is 30,000 years old. The energy in the sunlight we see today started out in the core of the sun 30,000 years ago. It spent most of this time passing through the dense atoms that make the sun. It takes just 8 minutes to reach us once it had left the sun. Neutron stars. These are amongst the most extreme objects in the known universe. Born in supernovae, neutron stars have insanely dense core. Take twice the mass of the sun, and compact it into the size of Los Angeles, and that's roughly how dense a neutron star is. Neutron stars can rotate up to 60 times per second after they are born. Under special circumstances, this rate can increase to more than 600 times per second, which is something unbelievable. The Apollo astronauts' footprints on the moon will probably stay there for at least 100 million years. Since the moon doesn't have an atmosphere, there's no wind or water to erode or wash away the Apollo astronauts' mark on the moon. That means their footprints will stay preserved on the moon for a very long time. They won't stay on there forever, though. Black hole. Imagine matter packed so densely that nothing can escape. Not a moon, not a planet, and not even light. That's what black holes are, a spot where gravity's pull is huge, ending up being dangerous for anything that accidentally strays by. Black holes affects time. Just as a clock runs a bit slower closer to sea level than up on a space station, clock run really slow near black holes. It all has to do with gravity. The nearest black hole to the Earth is 1,600 light-years away. Although there is probably a huge supermassive black hole lurking in the middle of our galaxy. Luckily, we're nowhere near this monster. We are about 2/3 of the way out from the center, but we can certainly observe its effects from afar. For example, the European Space Agency says it's 4 million times more massive than our Sun, and that it's surrounded by surprisingly hot gas. Be sure to subscribe us to get notified about our latest updates. Thanks for watching.